Your iPhone keeps restarting endlessly, and the iDevice gets stuck in a boot loop. At this point, you may want to know the causes and try to settle the matter after you dish out criticism. Luckily, when you get to this video, you will know the most comprehensive information about this topic. Part 1. iPhone keeps restarting? Try the 12 fixes. Fix 1. Check for hardware problems. Fix 2. Force restart your iPhone. Fix 3. Remove SIM card. Fix 4. Keep iOS updated. Fix 5. Set up data and time. Fix 6. Free up space on iPhone. Fix 7. Check iPhone's logs. Fix 8. Remove faulty battery draining apps. Fix 9. Check apps for updates. Fix 10. Restore iPhone using iTunes. Fix 11. Reset all settings on iPhone. Fix 12. Contact Apple support. Part 2. Ultimate solution to fix iPhone randomly restarts. Many users claim that some fixes on their iPhones couldn't actually troubleshoot the boot loop. That is, iPhone restarts on its own unwittingly, as always. Well, don't worry, iOS system recovery can do you a big favor.